y'all, welcome back to CHELL'S Kitchen. Of course, I'm back at y'all with another great video. Today, y'all, we're going to be making beanies and weenies, or from the Midwest, we call it pork and beans and hot dogs. Y'all, but this just ain't no regular pork and beans and hot dog. This is like gourmet. It is so good. Again, this is a quick, fast, simple recipe. Let's get to it. All right, y'all. Let's go over what you would need in order to make you some pork and beans and hot dogs. Of course, you would need pork and beans and hot dogs. This is the most important ingredient for pork and beans and hot dogs. It's the pork and beans and hot dogs. Butter. Hey, butter is a game changer. A lot of people do not put butter in their pork and beans and hot dogs. Y'all add a stick of butter. Oh my God, it just makes it so much creamier, so much richer. It's just so good. Brown sugar. This is the game changer too. A lot of people do not know. Put brown sugar in your beanies and weenies. Oh my God, so good. Of course, you will need some hot dogs. Here, we only eat beef hot dogs. Beef or a turkey hot dog. I can't do the chicken, pork, and all that shit just mixed in. I'm already kind of weary of hot dogs. So I feel like with the beef, I just feel comfortable eating it opposed to the chicken, pork, beef, all this stuff mixed in. Like, I'm just cool on that. All right, and then last but not least, some regular white sugar, y'all. Let's get to it. All right, y'all. So what I'm gonna start off doing is y'all, I cook my hot dogs separate and my beanies and weenies separate, and at the end I add them together. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and put your pork and beans and hot dogs in your hot dogs. I've never cooked it like that, so I mean, if that's how you cook yours, then go ahead and do it that way. But me, I'm gonna go ahead and turn my heat on high, and we're gonna go ahead and put the hot dogs in the water, y'all. Now, I'm not going to cook the whole pack because I'm just doing this for a video, y'all. So I'm not going to just cook the whole pack. I'm just going to cook a few of them out of here. Boom. So I got my hot dogs in there, y'all. I put 5 hot dogs in there. We're going to let that come to a rolling boil. While that's doing that, I'm going to go over to this pot. I'm going to turn it on low. And we're going to go ahead and add our pork and beans and hot dogs, y'all. Add it to the pot. Just like that. All right, so that way, y'all, I got them both cooking at the same time. So what we're gonna do now, y'all, we're gonna let this come to a rolling boil. Once our hot dogs come to a rolling boil, I'm gonna take them off the heat. I'm gonna chop them up, and we're gonna add them to our beans, and we're gonna add all the wonderful ingredients to make pork and beans and hot dogs. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. So as y'all seen, the hot dogs came to a rolling boil. I drank the water and then I put them on my plate so then I can chop them up. Before I chop them up, I'm gonna go ahead and add a stick of butter. I'm not gonna use the whole stick. I'm gonna use about that much of the butter, y'all. Put that in there. Then we're gonna go ahead and chop up these hot dogs, okay? You just wanna chop them just like that. Till you're done. This is a great meal for the kids, y'all. This is a great meal for the kids. I'm telling you, if you're trying to feed a lot of kids, you got your nieces and nephews over there. Most kids love hot dogs. So yeah, this is a great meal. My kids love it. Well, I got one kid that really don't. He don't like hot dogs, so he really don't mess around. That's David. But my other kids love it. So as y'all see, I chopped up my hot dogs. What we're gonna do is go ahead and add it in with the pork and beans and hot dogs, just like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and go down with our brown sugar. Then we're gonna go ahead and add some white sugar. Not that much, y'all. Then we're gonna give it a stir. And I'm gonna give y'all a tip, y'all. Okay, so I got 2 tips. Number 1 tip is do not overcook your beans. You'll know if you overcooked your beans because they'll be really mushy and they won't even be beans no more. So you make sure you do not overcook your beans. Another thing too, if you got some vanilla, you know, the vanilla extract, you can just add a couple of drops of vanilla in there, y'all. I do not have any vanilla. I need to go to Sam's to get all my seasoning. So I don't have any vanilla, but if you have some, add you a couple of drops of vanilla. Game changer. The vanilla is a game changer. This is gourmet beanies and weenies, y'all. Who is adding brown sugar, butter, and vanilla to their beanies and weenies? So again, if you have vanilla, just add a couple of drops, and oh my God, delicious. So yeah, we got that all in there, y'all. And one second, I'm missing one of my key ingredients, y'all. Y'all ready for this? Y'all ready for the game changer? I knew it didn't look right. Motherfucking cinnamon. Cinnamon, y'all. You gotta add cinnamon to this. Look at this. Oh my God. I keep some good cinnamon on hand. I love cinnamon. Poke a hole in there. And you're gonna just sprinkle you some cinnamon to your liking. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. Oh my God, that cinnamon. I knew I was forgetting something, y'all. So that's what you need, y'all. You need your brown sugar, you need your butter, you need vanilla, and you need cinnamon. So yeah, that's what you need, y'all. Look at it. That shit look gourmet. I don't give a damn what nobody's saying. Look at it. Y'all see that cinnamon all on the hot dog, all them cinnamon specks and the brown sugar and oh my God. All right, y'all, so once you got everything in the pot, what you're gonna do, of course, is give it a stir, and you're gonna put the top back on. I'm gonna find the top, you're gonna put the top back on it and let it simmer for about 5-10 minutes, and then it's all done, y'all. Y'all see how quick that was? I'm telling you, a lot of kids or a lot of people you're trying to feed, girl, you better bring out these beanies and weenies and feed them kids, give them a slice of bread, and tell them to go on about their day. So yeah, once we get done letting it simmer, we're gonna go ahead and pour it in a bowl, and yeah, we're gonna give it a taste. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all. Alright, y'all. We plated it. And look, y'all see I added some bread. You add you some bread with this. If you want to, you can put a little butter on the bread. Oh my God, so far. You just take your bread and just dip it in there. Y'all, it is completed. It looks so good. Y'all see that? This ain't no regular beanies and weenies right here. This is gourmet beanies and weenies. And you guys, I noticed that the videos that I'm doing that's like old school, like the chicken pot pie. There's another video I did too that's really trending. I'm noticing that the sloppy joe, yeah. So I noticed like the chicken pot pie, sloppy joe. Those are foods we grew up eating as kids, and a lot of us has forgot about them. So that's why I did the beanies and weenies. I seen those videos are doing numbers, so I figured let's do beanies and weenies. This is something that a lot of us grew up on as kids. Our grandmothers gave it to us, our mothers gave it to us, and hey, fuck it, y'all, let's give it to our kids. I promise you, they will love them. If your kids love hot dogs, they will love this dish. Another thing too, y'all, what I need y'all to keep in mind about CHELL'S Kitchen, this is a quick, fast, easy recipe channel, y'all. So we're not going to be doing nothing too complex. We do not have all day to be in the kitchen cooking nothing. We've been at work, we got kids, we got basketball practice, gymnastics practice, we got all these practices. You just need to get in the kitchen, cook, and feed your family. So please keep that in mind. This is quick, fast, easy recipes, y'all. Straight to the point. Get in there, get done, and on about your day. So yeah, there we have it, y'all. Homemade beanies and weenies, homemade pork and beans and hot dogs, however you want to call it. Make it like this. I'm telling you, this is a game changer. I'm definitely hitting on something, y'all. It is so good, so creamy. You put your butter in there. So let's do a quick recap. You need your beanies and weenies. You need your hot dogs. You need butter. You need cinnamon. Do not forget your cinnamon. That's what makes it gourmet. And if you got some vanilla, put a little bit of vanilla in there. And voila, a little bit of white sugar. And yeah, there you have it. All right, y'all, I want to thank you all so much for tuning in today. It's been fun. If you haven't yet, make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend. And I will see you guys on the next quick, fast, easy recipe. Have a wonderful day, y'all.